Hi guys, welcome to my channel Web Toddler. My name is Vishesh and today we are going to learn how to keep the app orientation fixed in any device. So first we'll be talking about Android and how to do that in Android devices. Then we'll be moving on to iOS devices. I'll show you how simple it is to keep the orientation of the application fixed. So there are many applications where you would want the device to be oriented in portrait mode only. So let's see here. Once we click this, so you'll see that this application in this application we can simply rotate the device and the orientation will be rotated. So guys, in this app, so this is the application that we built in the last video that I had talked about alert dialog. So you can find the link on the top left corner if you would want to know more about it. So continuing on the same, what we have done is we have used this for the device orientation fixing video as well. So when I change the orientation, so you can see that the orientation of this application will also change. I'll show you here. So the orientation of the whole application is changed. So I would want to keep it fixed, to not change it according to the device orientation. How can I do that? So let's see. Let's jump right into it. So first of all, we'll need to import services package. Services.dart. Then here what we'll need to do is we'll need to add a few lines of code here. I'll just show you. Widget flutter binding dot ensure initialized. Then we need to type this code system chrome dot set preferred orientation. So here we'll be adding a list of orientation that we will need. So we'll need device orientation dot portrait down and device orientation dot portrait up. So you can see there is landscape left, landscape right. So if you would want to keep it only to the landscape mode, you can select landscape left and right. If you want to keep in only portrait mode, then portrait up and down are the orientations that you would want to keep. Put a semicolon here. And yes, we are done with this for Android application. Now that we have written the code, I've stopped the application. I'll restart the application. Now that the app is installed again, so what we can do is we can check once I rotate this. So you can see that the orientation of the application does not change at all. So this is what we wanted to achieve. To achieve the similar thing in iOS devices, what we'll need to do is we'll need to go to iOS, then we need to go to runner and then info.plist. Clicking on this, so we'll find coming down there is an array option here. So in this is what the orientation of the app is about. So you will need to delete these landscape left and landscape right in order to keep the orientation as portrait. If you would want to keep the orientation as landscape, then you need to delete the upper one. So what I'll be doing is I'll be deleting this, and then this is done for iOS as well. So this was pretty much it, guys. This is all about keeping the orientation of the application fixed. Follow us for more videos on Flutter and do give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and follow us on other social channels as well. Links are in the description below. Thank you so much.